Hey everybody, this is Drone Man John P. with another update on the Buc-ees in Willis, Texas that they're building. If you don't know anything about Buc-ees, they started off in Clute, Texas in 1982. They've expanded, now they're in several other states, and they have about 50 stores. They do not allow trucks in their parking lot. It's like a huge superstore for a convenience store. They've got any kind of beef jerky you could imagine. They've got pretzels, they've got clothes, they've got knickknacks, you name it, you can buy it there. Anyway, the one they're building in Willis isn't that big. Not near as big as the one down in Baytown. That one is enormous. And they've got a lot of big ones all over the place. But anyway, this is an update. I'm doing a flyover in my DJI Air 3S drone right here in Willis, Texas. And that's what I do. Anyway, I'll keep you updated. I'll have another update probably in a couple weeks. This footage here was actually shot a couple weeks ago. I apologize for the delay.